So you just got your new office, you've started your business. Where do we start with tech? Well, you know you need the internet. That's easy. So where to go from there? You got a new office. Let's say you need 4 desks. What do we do? Well, what TCI can do is we'll run wires to each of those desks. We do it in a modular format so it can be reorganized later. You're going to change your mind, I guarantee it. But just for starting out, let's think 4 computers. Let's think internet. Let's think Wi-Fi. And then the first thing you're going to need as soon as you start your business is a telephone. So when we run these wires, we're going to run 4 wires and the phone can tap off that same wire. So that saves on cost when you're first starting out. You just want 1 wire to each desk. That will accommodate a phone and a computer. Now we can hook that phone up to the Hawaiian Tel service if you feel the urge to do so. Or one of the things that TCI offers that is kind of a good all-in feature is we offer voice over IP services. So what that'll do is it'll give you an 808 number. We'll attach one 808 number to every single phone that you've got, and that phone works off the internet. While you're there at your desk, you just pick up and dial. It's not any different than a regular phone. But if you have to work from home, or you need to travel, or you need to take it with you, if you got internet where you're going, you take that phone off the desk and you take it with you. You plug in when you get there. It's your same phone number, it's your same caller ID, it's your same everything. And then you bring that back to the office, you're there again. So you just take that thing with you. Now, if that's too much to do, and sometimes it is, it's inconvenient to remove a phone, there's an application you can run on a laptop or on your cell phone that will take your office number with you. One of the things I don't like to do ever when I'm starting out a new business is use my cell phone and have the customers texting me directly or texting my staff. I like to hide behind my office number. So if you do that right at the very beginning, you're covered. That way you got your internet all set. You go with Spectrum, you go with Hawaiian Tel. If you're really serious about it, you're running a restaurant maybe, you need both of those things. So we'll get you 1 or more internet connections, we'll get you phone service, and we'll get you computer set up right away. And that'll cover most offices right then and there. And if you're running something that's retail, we'll cover a cash register and we'll cover maybe a printer. So if you think about exactly what you need when you start out, we'll get you about 4 or 5 things: computers, phones, printer, Wi-Fi, and then you're set. And then growth is what you focus on next.